Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the park assist fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can guys buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste money and time. We'll put a link in the description of the video below. Check it out guys. So let's start on it now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So the park assist fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on that generation Chrysler 300 right here guys. And here what we need to check specifically. Okay, we need to come guys, okay, here you have many fuse boxes, but we need the fuse box that's in the trunk. So open the trunk, that's a carpet liner, lift it up. Now underneath you're going to have the spare tire, you're going to have a car battery, and you have a fuse box right here. This is a closer look of that fuse box. So now guys, what you need to do, here you have a couple of clips, press them together, pull the cover out, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here guys, we need to check one fuse for the park assist. Now here, that's the front of your Chrysler 300, this is towards the very back. So if we zoom in here behind that relays, the first fuse here is 43, then 44. Fuse number 44 that you see right here guys, this is the fuse for the park assist that you will need to check on your Chrysler 300 if you have problems with it. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses guys. You can see different fuses, relays, that's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them guys, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind, keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.